Hey guys, this is how to enable two-factor authentication for Discord account. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go ahead and go over here to the gear icon or to the settings icon over here or the user settings. So simply click on it, and right away down below you will see here password on authentication. And from here just simply click on enable authenticator app. And after that, guys, just simply provide your password over here for a verification. And from here, right away, you will have a guide. So from here, just simply download an authentication app on your device, whether you install Authy or Google Authenticator for your phone or tablet. And after that, just simply scan the QR code and open the Authenticator app. And then from there, just scan the image over here, the QR, and from there you will have a 6-digit code generated on your application, and after that just simply provide it down below over here, and from there guys you'll be able to activate it. And there you go, just simply follow these 3 steps, and from there you will be able to have the two-factor authenticator on your Discord. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.